sure I do a photo shoot is because my husband has already warned me that this is our last child. So I said, let me make it count. Let me go all out for my last baby. Yeah?
Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're good. So today is the maternity shoot, but I like to say it's also the paternity shoot. You know what I mean? Okay, because I also had to be a part of this shoot, and it just so happens that we are running late, and because we are so last minute, well, I can be so last minute. That's what happens when two people who are last minute. Okay, that's what happens to us. So we're running very late, about 30 minutes late now, and let me wear this seatbelt. And so Opeyemi has gone. Opeyemi left me. She says I'm not gonna spoil her shoot. She says, you know, she doesn't want to be delayed. So Opeyemi has gone with the kids. So it's just me now. You see, if I had my boys now, maybe my boys would have been with me. So she went with the girls, and you know, I'm just going to meet them now. Probably gonna do a quick rat race and get there as soon as I can. Hopefully there's no traffic. But yeah, I'm excited because for me, it is our last paternity shoot, fam. It's our last maternity shoot. I don't know what Opeyemi has planned, but I'm not doing this, you know. I'm done and I'm happy. Okay, so last maternity shoot, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, we want to make it good. So what happened was, so I ordered some stuff again because I'm last minute. I ordered some stuff last night, actually. Okay, so today is Sunday, right? Today is Sunday. I ordered some stuff on Friday, and only, oh my gosh, is there traffic? I ordered some stuff on Friday and only realized that I actually did not click the final button to say confirm. So I ordered the stuff, and then in my mind, okay, it's gone through, but I still had to do one last click for it to say, okay, your order is confirmed. It was now the next day. The next day I was just checking my account and I couldn't see that there was a debit. So I was like, wow, it means something happened. It didn't go through. I went to my browser and I just realized that, yeah, I did not click the last button. So Saturday I had to quickly reorder, okay, what I had already previously ordered. So Saturday I reordered all the stuff, and I was doing some other shopping for myself. So I reordered all of that, and oh sorry, I'm trying to see where I can put this. And yeah, that's why it came earlier today. It came earlier today, and I'm like, okay, fantastic stuff, let's do this. Only for me to try on one or two things and realize your boy has put on some weight. Okay, so the shirts I wanted to wear did not fit, right? So shirts did not fit. I had to make a last minute move to go to the shop literally this evening. So I went to the shop in the local mall and I got one or two things, which is what I'm going to wear today now. So that's why, one of the reasons why we're late. Yeah, so I guess we should have planned better. I'm in the right place, yeah? I'm already hearing all the music from upstairs. Let's go and start this party. The party don't start until daddy gets there. Okay? It's just a few more things I need to get out. You guys just show me now. You guys just let me laugh.
Yeah, she was. Let me see.
girls. 220 on the highway.
Maybe if it's this cinema.
You're happy because baby's gonna be here soon?
Yeah.
And you took some beautiful pics. Mickey, why are you happy? Oh wow, you look so beautiful. Why are you happy?
Because I get to spend time with my mom and I get to take pictures with her for the baby.
For the baby. Are you excited about the baby?
Yeah.
You have a name for the baby as well?
Yeah.
Good. Don't say it. Don't loud it. Don't loud it.
Alright, my girl.
Okay, it's your mommy's turn now.
What do you do?
That's what I do.
Yeah.
No, how are you feeling?
What?
You look so. You look. Hot spice. Hot spice.
Atero.
Just look at the bump. I feel like this is your biggest bump.
I know.
I feel like I hope you're not having twins, bro.
Imagine if I'm surprising you with twins. What God cannot do does not exist.
3 kilos, sir. I want enemies. Enemies.
Twin girls.
That's it.
Man, that'll be a lot too.
Nice. I love this dress though, and it's sweeping the floor, isn't it?
Is it nice? So guys, basically the reason I'm making sure I do a photo shoot is because my husband has already warned me that this is our last child. So I said, let me make it count. Let me go all out for my last baby. Yeah?
It's alright. Fair enough.
Fair enough, innit?
Good.
That's all right.
Obedient wife. Okay, Maya, let Noemi take her photos.
Which way, Charles? Should I do this way? Mickey, I want you to be careful with that thing, though.
Mickey, be careful with that iPad.
Sit down.
No, you look like, you know those home videos when they get to heaven? Where everywhere is white.
Yeah.
O'Shea, this is the final outfit picked by yours truly. Come on now. Come on now. Look at those shoes now. Come on now. Look at that dress.
Guys, I'm going to talk to you about shoes in one of our next vlogs. Or next videos.
Oh yeah?
The palaver I've had with shoes. During
The
this
palaver, we need to talk about that. Okay, I'm not looking too bad myself.
O'Shea,
Come on now.
Ope, me sexy.
Give
hotness,
them.
Big gang.
Yeah,
Best of them all.
Eh.
Ants.
I want to hear.
Fine.
That's
Come
me.
on, baby.
That's me. So yeah, this is our final outfit, final look. What do you think? Let us know what your favorite of the 3 is. Is it 3 or 2? 3 now. Let us know your favorite of them. Okay, I think this one is my favorite because you look sexy in this short dress. You know, if you know what I mean. What you doing?
Watching my mommy's vlog. Now today's been an amazing day.
It's been an amazing day. But are you allowed to? What are you watching? I need to see what you're watching. I hope it's not one of the things that we've asked you not to watch anymore.
No.
So what program is that?
They're making Barbie clothes.
Barbie clothes?
Yeah. Just so she used all that cling film for the shoes. She used cling film to put glue down, and she got one toothpick.
So do you know how to make Barbie clothes now?
Almost. I only know how to make it with socks.
With socks?
Yeah.
So you're gonna make one for us, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, if the sock is big enough.
High five.
Only if the sock is
So what
big
else can you make?
I can make a drawing of a Barbie.
For drawing book?
No, drawing of a Barbie.
Drawing of Barbie, okay, I'll be looking forward to that as well.
Yeah, me say then take the go, my life be like yo.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort.